guys. Hi. Okay, so today is another day of rebooting, and in fact, I have no light, so I have to go somewhere and work because I still have to work and create content. So, yeah. So I'm going to KFC, somewhere nice with nice view. So come with me and let's do this.
has been a wonderful experience, trust me, Charlotte. Today has been one of a kind. I think I should start going out to shoot. It was really fun today, yeah, because I shot outside views and all that. It was really really cool. I like it. I like it. Sometimes unplanned stuff always come out good, and I was really really amazed. I felt really amazing. Like I was like, wow, content creation is wild, and that's one of the things I want to master: content creation and filming and editing as well. During these 90 days, I really want to master these things. Yeah, it's very very important to me. Yeah, so my thought about today was just quite amazing. I really felt good today, and I've been working since the time I came, and yeah, it's been very very productive for me. I have to post this content too, so I have to work extremely hard today to finish this video, then so that I can let you see this video too. Yeah, so I mean, I felt amazing. It's been cool. One of those things where, like, when you don't plan stuff and it just happened. Like, it feels so good. Like, I mean, I could have just been home, still waiting for the light to come, but I'm like, let me make the day productive. Even though there's no light, I should go out and explore. I should go out and do something. And today being another day of rebuilding, I feel like there's more out there. Like, if you really make up your mind to become a better person, you can, because the world is full of possibilities, and sometimes you may be so surprised that the more you dig in, the more you find new things about yourself. Like, you get to know yourself better, you get to know your strengths and what you can new stuff that you can resonate with, and it's been quite amazing. Like, I want to keep doing this more and more. I want to go out. I want to go out there and see what is out there and keep shooting. Sometimes it's not supposed to be all perfect. Like I said for my episode one, that being perfectionist, I'm one kind of person that has always been a perfectionist. Like, I always want to be perfect before putting it out there. But I realized that the imperfections are rather what people resonate with. They are rather what even gives you comfort. Yeah, rather what comes like so. I don't know, but there's something about imperfection. Like, it makes you authentic, and it makes you unique. So I'm really enjoying this journey, and it's been fun so far. Yeah, it's been fun so far, and yeah, let's see what is ahead, and let's keep going. Yeah.